Let's dive right into safely installing the all-in-one streaming app, Flix Vision. If you want movies, shows, and live TV all in one place, here's your step-by-step guide. We'll tackle these 4 quick steps, starting right off with the Downloader app.
First up, install the Downloader app, enable unknown sources in your settings, and launch it.
Once inside, just hover over that URL bar and hit the select button on your remote.
Type in the official Flix Vision code 346420 and go ahead and click Load.
That takes you to their official site. From there, just click Download the app now. Hang tight for just a second while the installation file downloads to your device.
Once that finishes, a prompt will pop up. Go ahead and click Install.
When you see App installed, make sure to click Done instead of Open. We need to clean up.
Click Delete twice. This removes the setup file and frees up some much-needed storage space.
Finally, launch Flix Vision right from your apps list. You are officially good to go. But wait, a quick safety heads up. VirusTotal actually flagged 3 suspicious files in this app.
Since it's an unverified third-party app, running a trusted VPN is pretty much mandatory to stay protected.
To get the best quality and stop buffering, you'll want to link a premium debred service. Open Settings, pick a provider like Premiumize, enter your API key, and confirm it. Easy.